Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Minecraft error code 254. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when players are playing Minecraft and their world randomly crashes. According to our research, this error happens because of issues with the game itself, outdated versions, or conflicts with mods such as Sodium or Iris shader mods. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to close the game and restart your device. Once the device restarts, relaunch Minecraft and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check if you need to update the game. If there is a pending update, install it and relaunch the game. Then check for the error again. If the error persists, then the issue may be because of Sodium and Slash or Iris shader mods. But before moving forward with the step, we suggest you back up any data which may be deleted in the process. Now let's come to a workaround. If you are using Sodium and or Iris shader mods, then move them out of the mods folder and try launching the game. If the error stops or another mod errors out with a different code, then this method works. So, next, delete all files inside the /config folder. If you have settings saved, back them up and re-add them one by one later. Then launch Minecraft again. If the game window opens, you can close it and re-add the Sodium and Iris mods if needed. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.